You know, I don't really know how to do these intros without doing a what's up everybody or hey, how's it going y'all? But then again, do I need to? Let's let history decide. Alright, what's going on everybody? We are here at the one-stop shop ModFX. And first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bumper off, get into it real quick. I'll take out the lights, do some of the prep work, probably take apart the casing, and then replace the two halos on the passenger side that are out. If I have time, I might install some other goodies. We will see what unfolds tonight. We have the infamous yellow fella with the stroked 392 to a 426, and a bunch of people wrote their names in the dust. Hey yo, hold up, I'm about to do the same thing. Yo, what's up? Boom. I'm branded, y'all. Oh man, hey, all right. So I've had a couple of people ask me already because they saw my hoodie. Shout out to my boy Alex, 86 Face. He's up in Dallas area, and I'm sure you guys know him as the GOAT of Supercharger V6s. We got Patrick here working on some coil overs.
Just spring.
Oh, just spring? Alright, cool. Mastermind Randall over here doing his thing, helping me out. Y'all, it took me way too long to take out my front bumper. Way too long. But the only way you learn is by doing. So, I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's the rain starting to come. So, I'm actually about to dip for the day because I'm not trying to be stuck out here. We'll be back again tomorrow, putting everything back together, and we'll see how it goes.
You know what you're doing for it?
Surprisingly, yes.
Say surprisingly, yes.
Alright, let me show you something. Just run it along and shit. You see how it opened the part by itself and I didn't really do anything to it yet?
Oh.
See?
I didn't realize this was good.
Yeah.
Good.
There you go. Alright?
Alright, what's up everybody? Finally put on my LightingTrendz lights. I know I showed you guys so much of the install, but I'm excited to finally have them back on. We started going back to more shows.
Hey Mark!
Hey yo!
Good job, buddy!
Real though, man, I'm so excited. I was struggling a little bit too much with these headlights. Just a little bit.
You got embarrassed maybe once. I opened it in like 7 minutes compared to 2 hours.
Dude, you opened it in like 10 seconds.
Well,
Yeah. You were like, let me take this real quick. Pop.
Well, Mark is a good faker because look at him. He looks like a mechanic right about now. Look at this. Oh my God, look. It's like he's working on a motor.
Even see the back, dude.
Bro, you are so dirty like you're working on a motor. All you did was take off a bumper.
I know.
What's up with that?
That's a struggle, man.
But are you almost done?
Yeah. Yeah, just a couple more screws and I'll be good.
Okay, so I guess you got his front bumper back on.
Watch that.
He still got this to do.
I'm not doing that tonight.
You're not doing that?
Not tonight.
Oh.
Oh,
Do you
he's
have
scared to do it tonight. That's what it is.
Well, I mean, I don't know how much time you guys have. Do you want me to do it tonight?
We ain't even till 1 o'clock, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh shit, alright, let's do it.
We're gonna go all the way till your battery dies and your battery's already bleeping like bleep, bleep.
Yeah, it's about.
Is this the end of your video or no?
Huh?
Is this the end of your video?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, what you guys say?
I don't know. I ain't got nothing to say, man. Just. Don't take the easy way, man. The easy way sucks.
I gotta zoom into those hands. Let me see those hands. Let me see those hands, bro. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this dude.
All this for a bumper.
All that for a
lights.
bumper and some lights.
Some lights. Man, it might seem easy, man, but if you ain't used to do it yourself.
It's easy if you do it every day like we do.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all make it look easy. I literally felt bad for how long I was taking to like take off the bumper, take apart the lights.
He's learning. He learned a lot, and that's the major thing. I wanted him to get a little feel for it.
Yeah.
And help him out, you know, let him change his stuff out. And
Well, like, and then, like,
we were a little busy, so.
For it too. Cause like I mean, you guys pop this in, pop, pop. So this is the RIPP oil catchment. It doesn't have to be a V6. It can be applied to any Mopar.
Well, I do like this marked inlet and outlet. That's one thing. The way it's made is pretty nice. But what I really like is it actually has the oil.
Yeah, the dipstick.
Which is cool. It tells you how full, how much is in there instead of trying to open it every time. That's
Yeah.
really nice. That's a nice addition I haven't seen. I think I like this.
Alright, so we're in here trying to install the RIPP oil catch can. Figuring things out as we go. Just as, you know, the way that most mods go. But we got the two large hoses that RIPP gave us that plug right into here, the inlet outlet. We got it already. We got it hand tightened in, but we're gonna wrench it in to hold it in place. I mean, it sits right there. It's perfect, and it's designed to bolt into something that's already a part of the car.
Cool. That's nice. So the only thing I see that when you gotta take that part out, you gotta loosen it from here every time, probably.
Yeah. If I need to take it out.
It's kind of tight. But first, I wanted you to turn your car on real quick.
Turn the car on.
Yeah, because I want to see
Which one of the two,
out? Which is an inlet and outlet. Yeah.
Okay.
That's so cool. This part. I like this part the most.
That's the little things, man.
I got faith in you, buddy. You got it. It's easy.
All right, let me start it up.
Yeah.
All right. So that's pretty much today's video. So like, share, comment, subscribe.
We out.